the most common and dangerous and irritating problem that every gardener faces, which is mealybug infestation. Really, this pest is really irritating and dangerous to our garden. And I am getting lots of questions on how to control this mealybug infestation. So in today's video, I will be going to share easy and effective 3 control measures to control this irritating pest. But before that, first it is important to know what are mealybugs. Mealybugs are small, white, squishy, soft insects that stick to plant stems and fresh new growth and can damage many flowering and ornamental plants like hibiscus, marigold, money plant, tomatoes, palm by direct feeding on their sap and in the severe case by introducing disease into the garden. They usually affect the fresh growth, the underside of the leaves and top tips of the plant, and hence they are easy to find and treat before they spread down over the plant. Many times you might have noticed mealybugs and ants on same plant together, because ants are often associated with mealybugs in two-way relationship. Mealybugs produce honeydew sugary substance for ants, and in returns ants protect mealybugs from other parasites, other predators and from other insects. But in severe cases, this sugary substance encourages the growth of fungus, which is known as black mold. So it is always a better idea to control these mealybugs at early stage. But I think prevention is always better than cure. So I would suggest regularly inspect your garden, your indoor plants. This pest can come from number of sources, such as using contaminated potting mix, watering your indoor plants after sunset, or placing your indoor pots too close, or watering on leaves. So try to avoid these things. All these are preventive measures that we can do to avoid pest infestation. Now let's understand what to do if infestation is already there. What control measures should be followed to control this mealybug infestation? Step 1. Be an observer. Inspect all your plants and container thoroughly to avoid this mealybug infestation regularly. Step 2. When you observe mealybugs, act immediately. Step 3. Isolate infected plants from other plants, because they spread very quickly from one plant to another, so they will destroy your complete garden very quickly. Step 4. If it is just started, you can remove these mealybugs physically by using any sharp object. Step 5. If it is heavily infected, first remove all heavily infected leaves and trim some parts from the plant. Now coming to the easy and effective control measures to control this mealybug. First one is spraying with warm water with high pressure, which will destroy the bugs colonies. This method can be useful if the infestation is not severe or just started. Second control measure is soap solution. This is another effective method to control mealybug infestation, but again if it is not high. For soap solution, add 1 tablespoon of liquid dishwash in 1 liter of water. Instead of liquid dishwash, you can use any mild or herbal shampoos. Mix it well and spray on the affected areas and then cover full plant. A solution of soap water contains potassium salt, which is effective way of dealing with soft bodied insects like mealybugs. Third control measure is neem oil spray. Neem oil is great, effective and organic pesticide to control these insects, and neem oil spray will not affect any pollinators, honeybees, birds and other beneficial insects in garden. So it is eco-friendly. Before spraying your plant with neem oil spray, first use a plain jet of water to disturb the bugs feeding and then spray plant with neem oil. For making neem oil spray, take 1 tablespoon of neem oil with 5 ml of natural liquid soap or shampoo in 1 liter of water. Spray this solution targeting the areas affected by mealybugs first and then covering the whole plant. Target all fresh growth, tips and underside of each leaves. For heavily mealybug infestation, you can spray twice in a week. Once the mealybugs are in control, you can increase the spraying intervals. The important point is to remember is that neem oil spraying should be done only after the sunset because sunlight and neem spray can burn the plant leaves. Daytime, many plant activities such as photosynthesis and evaporation are happening which can disturb by the neem oil spray. So it's better to do spraying early in the morning or in the evening. And next control measure is rubbing alcohol. It is really effective on heavy infestation of mealybugs. Rubbing alcohol is usually sold as a mixture of 70% isopropyl alcohol and 30% water. You can easily buy it from medical store or from online, and if you don't find it, you can use hand sanitizer instead of rubbing alcohol. Friends, basically rubbing alcohol is nothing but hand sanitizer. So if you don't find this rubbing alcohol, you can use hand sanitizer instead of rubbing alcohol. For small infestation, dip a cotton bud or swab in surgical spirit, also known as rubbing alcohol, and dab directly on the insect. Use a different swab for each treated plant. Allow the rubbing alcohol to dry on the paste for 5 to 4 hours and then rinse the alcohol from the plant with clean water. For heavy leaf infestation, you can use surgical spirit spray. Please remember that rubbing alcohol, if applied without dilution, it can burn the plants. So for this, you need to make spray solution of 1:10 dilution in water and spray on affected plant. Alcohol evaporates quickly and dissolves the waxy coating of bugs, so it should kill the pest without harming the plants. If first application doesn't kill all the pests, repeat the application a few days later to remove them all. After 5 to 6 hours of application of alcohol, rinse the plant with clean water. But before spraying on plant, you do a test whether or not your plant is sensitive to alcohol. Spray only one leaf with the solution and wait for few hours for an adverse reaction in the leaf. If the leaf doesn't seem affected, then spray the whole plant thoroughly. So friends, these are few easy effective methods to control this dangerous pest. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, happy gardening.